Well, I'm back again, just doing the rear loom in the car today, and that'll be it for all the wiring, well, I hope. But yeah, there's no information out there really for it. I searched and searched Google, I read forums, and there's a lot of conflicting information. I never actually understood the loom sort of in these cars, but now I've got more of an idea, and it seems like there's 3 main looms. I just assumed it was one big massive loom, but it don't work like that. So obviously you've got the one behind the dash, which you've already seen me doing. There is a good video on YouTube, an American video of him installing a loom. If you want to watch how to do it bit by bit, like step by step, watch that video. Don't watch mine. Mine's just a video of the project as it's going. But I can answer any questions if you have any, so just drop a question in the comments on the video you want the answers for. Anyway, you got that loom behind the dash, which attaches to the front loom, which runs around the front of the car. And then the main loom comes down the pillar there. It runs along the sill, and you plug it into these white clips, which then go off to the rear loom, which runs along there, goes up for a grommet on the driver's side. Then that goes to run the back lights. There's a little control box. It runs the boot light as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the main part of it. It also runs under the seats, where you've got your airbag wiring and stuff. It runs across there, runs along the passenger side, and it runs all the way back here. You've got this little plug. I think that's for the rear ABS, which will come out of there. I'm not 100%, but I'm 99.9% sure that's for the ABS on the rear. It runs along there, then runs up to the door switch here. So yeah, I'm just going to be tidying all this up now, trying to make it look like factory again. I know there's no point, it's under the carpet. Well, I'm going to bugger off. There's a bit of time lapse on this video again, so if you have any questions for the rear loom or anything like that, drop it in the comments like I've said with the other looms. Just yeah, I'll give you any help I can. So if you just want a bit of info on it or anything, just drop a comment. Also, the time we're doing this video, I've just hit 700 subscribers. So yeah, it's good news. The channel is growing and it's getting out there, which is what I wanted. I like to try and help people out. Right then, I hope you enjoy the time-lapse section. You probably won't see a lot about my ass, but we'll see. Right then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. What they